Hi everyone, it's Dr. Ariel Ostad, cosmetic dermatologist. Great to be here with you. I wanted to talk to you about torn earlobes. That is something that unfortunately does occur. We see it in women who have worn heavy earrings, and over time that little tiny hole gets longer and bigger and ultimately can result in a dilated, open, torn earlobe all the way down to a full tear. It's something that I actually enjoy doing. I love being an artist and a sculptor, so it's something that we take care of in the office. We do it under local anesthesia. Generally, both earlobes tend to be repaired, although sometimes each person needs only one. So basically, under local anesthesia, the earlobe is numbed, and then the torn earlobe is actually properly reattached with meticulous stitching, so that ultimately when the stitches come out in about a week or 10 days, you have this incredible fine line. Sometimes the line basically is a straight line that encompasses from the front all the way to the back of the earlobe, and sometimes we break it up in a little bit of a zigzag fashion so that your eye doesn't catch that. So it's something that can easily be done. Generally, the ear can be repierced, but we say, you have to wait about 2 months to allow proper healing so that there's enough strength so that when you do repierce it, the hole doesn't dilate once again. Any questions, let us know.